Here's how to delete messages in Messenger. Now, if you're in Facebook Messenger on your iPhone, Android, or a computer, there are several different ways that you can delete messages. The first option you have is you can always just swipe to the left and tap on Archive. Keep in mind, this doesn't fully delete that message. It essentially just moves it from your inbox over to the archived folder. You can find that by tapping on Menu and then going to Archive. Now from here, let's say instead of this, you wanted to fully delete that message, not archive it. Let's swipe to the left and choose Unarchive, and I'll show you another option. Let's go back to chats here. Now, one option is you can go into that conversation and you can delete your message within the messages by tapping and holding, and then tapping on More, and then Delete. Now, the nice thing is you can just tap on delete and you can choose to delete this for everyone or just for you. Now, keep in mind, this is just one specific message within an entire conversation. And if I tap on delete for everyone, you'll be able to see it is deleted. Now, let's say instead of that, we wanted to delete out the entire conversation, not necessarily archive it. To do that, the easiest way is to go back to the main home screen here, and instead of tapping the archive, we're going to go through the process of deleting it. So swipe to the left and tap on More, and then there is Delete. Just tap on the Delete button, and it says, are you sure you want to delete this entire conversation? Just tap on that Delete button. Keep in mind, you won't necessarily be able to recover it unless you download all of your information, so make sure you're positive that you do want to delete it. And if you do, tap on that delete button.